Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving you are a student. Gather your school email or a photo of your student ID, then log into GitHub. Once done, turn on two-factor authentication to protect your account. GitHub often requires it for education perks. Next, open the GitHub Education application, select the Student Developer Pack, and upload your documentation. Make sure to pick correct school details and a clear ID image so verification is fast. You'll get an email when the pack is approved. Once approved, you'll see dozens of partner offers. Scan them and prioritize those you need for current projects. You claim each offer by following the provider's activation flow. Often that means logging into the partner site, entering a code, or linking accounts. Make sure to connect services like Cloud Credits or CI tools and configure Git. Add SSH keys, set user, name and user, email and check billing or trial settings. This prevents interruptions and ensures tools integrate smoothly with your. Now put the tools to work. Spin up a test environment using your credits, connect CI pipelines, and import repos. Once done, document which offers expire and plan renewals. GitHub student status usually needs revalidation annually. If something goes wrong, first check that your GitHub account and partner accounts are linked correctly, then upload verification if needed. If links still fail, contact the partner's support and GitHub Education support. They can reissue codes or fix account mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.